This Sunday, we're making this beautiful sunset-themed lantern. Gather all the supplies you need to make this project from the list shown on the screen. This craft requires a little bit more supplies than our usual crafts. We are going to take an A4 size white paper and fold it into four. Then neatly cut the paper into 4 equal pieces according to the fold. You can use smaller or larger paper if you want to. I am just going to paint the papers with some bright sunset colors. I'm using purple, blue, yellow, orange and red. Blending all the colors nicely together to give it that sunset look. Once the paint has dried properly, we can now go ahead and start making our lantern. Cut out skewer sticks according to the width of your paper. Also cut out popsicle sticks according to the length of your paper. You will need 2 popsicle sticks for each paper and 8 skewer sticks pieces for each paper. Apply glue on the 2 sides of one of the papers, then glue the popsicle sticks on the both sides. Let the glue dry properly before moving on to the next step. Apply glue on the 2 bottom corners of the base, then glue 4 pieces of skewer sticks horizontally at the bottom. Similarly, glue 4 more pieces of skewer sticks on the top part of the base. We have all our pieces ready. Let's assemble them. We are going to cut out 4 long paper strips. The width of the paper strips should be 2 to 3 centimeters and the height should be same or slightly shorter than the base length. Fold all the pieces vertically in half. Apply hot glue on the one long side of the base, then glue the folded paper strip on the side. Glue one half of the paper strip with the base. Then glue another base with the paper strip. This will join the 2 pieces together. Use the similar method to glue the other 2 pieces together, and then finally glue all 4 corners together. This step is very simple, yet it can be a little tricky. Cut out a piece of card paper according to the measurements of the lantern's base. It doesn't need to be exact the same size. Glue the card at the bottom of the lantern. Leave a little gap on 2 sides so the lights can come through. This will give the lantern a nice effect. Cut out 2 long strings. Attach a piece of sticky tape at each end of the strings, and attach the strings on the top corners inside the lantern. Attach the 2 strings in a crisscross position. For extra safety, apply a layer of hot glue on the corners to keep the strings secure. Create a knot on the top with the 2 strings. Place an LED candle inside your lantern to light it up and revel in the beauty of our sunset lantern. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all next week.